Why has Marmite been banned?
Hello viewers! Today, we're delving into a fascinating subject, the ban on Marmite. If you're not familiar with it, Marmite is a popular British food spread made from yeast extract. It has a distinctive, powerful flavor that people either love or hate, thus its famous tagline, "You either love it or hate it." But the debate we're tackling today isn't about personal preferences. It's about why this iconic product has been banned in some places. Let's find out.
Why was Marmite banned?
Marmite was banned in some countries not because of its polarizing taste but due to its manufacturing process and ingredients. Marmite is fortified with vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, and its vitamin content can vary significantly from what's stated on the label due to the product's natural components. This has caused controversy and regulatory issues in some countries.
Where has Marmite been banned?
Notably, Marmite was banned in Denmark back in 2011. Danish law requires foods fortified with vitamins or minerals to be approved by authorities, primarily to prevent companies from making health claims about their products. Because Marmite's vitamin content wasn't consistent with its labeling, and it hadn't gained approval, it was pulled from shelves. Other countries, such as Canada, have had similar issues with Marmite, where the product was temporarily removed from stores due to the mismatch between the vitamin content and the labeling. However, it's important to note that this doesn't represent a universal ban. Marmite is widely available in most countries, including its homeland, the United Kingdom.
What's the current status?
As of now, Marmite is back on the shelves in Canada after the issue with vitamin content was clarified and properly labeled. In Denmark, the status is a bit more uncertain, with occasional reports of the product being spotted in shops catering to expats. However, the official ban remains in place, causing quite a stir among the British expat community and fans of the product. That's the story behind the Marmite ban, a fascinating intersection of food, regulation, and international relations. While it may seem strange that a humble jar of spread could cause so much fuss, it's a testament to Marmite's popularity and iconic status. Whether you love it or hate it, there's no denying that Marmite has made its mark. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this has shed some light on the Marmite mystery.